So I'm back. So you know the movie of the God is So Good Ukulele tutorial, right? So today I'm gonna teach you how to do Jesus Loves Me. So we're just gonna use C and also F and G. So our strumming pattern is just like this. It's down, up, down, up, down, up. So let's try. Down, up, 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 So let's first go a little bit. Let's go slowly for the first stanza. And then the next stanza and the third stanza. Yeah, just 3 stanzas. Okay, so let's start. Jesus loves me, this I know, for the Bible tells me so. It's still the same from the first stanza, but not the second stanza. So let's try a little bit faster now. Is it okay for you to try? So if you know, you can just ask. If you know and you have a ukulele, maybe you can also master some other types of songs. So this is all the things we have learned today. I hope you like this video. Bye.